Today is your that 18 April and it is video number 19 of that mathematics, and we are studying that number system and we are solving worksheets. We have gone through the theories of that number system, and that 16 to 17 April there was the gap. Come to the first one problem. What is equivalent to 1 million? What is equivalent to 1 million in Indian system? So 1 million will be equal to what in Indian system, that we want to find out. So come to the solution. First write down the 1 million. How will you write the 1 million? You know, unit 1 million will be in that international system. So we will put the comma after three digits. So unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, and thereafter million will come, isn't? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and thereafter million will come. So put the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 up to here, and below to 1 million, what will you do? You will write 1. So it is 1 million. You can check that unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Now what will be called in that Indian system, that we want to know. It is our international system. International system. And don't write I think. Write international system. And we want that in Indian system or Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system is only called as your Indian system. So in that, here we will have unit, here we will have 10, then we will have 100, then we will have 1000, then we will have 10,000, 10,000. After 10,000 we will have lakh, and then after we will have 10 lakh. So in the international system there will be unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then after million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, like it will come. And in Indian system, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So the meaning is that first that we will put the comma in Indian system first after the 3 digits, then after the 2 digits. This thing I have told you in the very first video, I think. So this is nothing but our 10 lakh. So your answer will be B. Second one problem is saying that what is equivalent to 1 billion in Indian system. So that in Indian system 1 billion will be equal to how much? Solution. You know, 1 billion will be in that international system. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then after billion will come. So what will we do? We want only 1 billion, so we will write up to here. So put the 1 here and increase 0 up to the unit. Okay, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. It is our international system. International system, and we want this international system 1 billion in the Indian system. So read out that in that Indian system, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. In Indian system, after 10,000, lakh will come, then 10 lakh, then 10 lakh. After that, crore will come, then after 10 crore will come. And 1 billion, you can say it is nothing but your 100 billion, sorry, 100 crore, 100 crore, 10 crore, Arab. No, in general we say Arab, 1 Arab, 10 Arab, but here they are saying you that in the terms of crore. So after 10 crore, 100 crore we can say for the time. So 1 billion will be nothing but our 100 crore. It's your answer. Second one. Third one, a number 45782 less than the smallest 7-digit number. So the number we want to find out, which is 45782 less than the smallest 7-digit number. You know smallest 7-digit number, how will we write? We will put n minus 1 zeros, means 7 minus 1, 6 zeros on the right side of the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write 6 zeros on the right side of 1. That will become the least number of 7 digit, and we want a number which is less this 45782 less than the 7 digits number. So nothing we will do, we will subtract this much number from the 7 digit number. Of course, when you will take carry from here, it will become 10 here and it will become 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 10 minus 2 is your 8, 9. No, not 9. 9 minus 8 will become 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4 is your 5 and 9. And since we have taken out the carry, it will get vanish out. So which one is matching? 9, 5, 4, 2, 1, 8. B1 is matching. So B will be your answer. What is least number should we add to 7856 so that the resulting number would be greatest 7 digit. So what should we add in this so that the resulting number will come the greatest 7 digit number? For that, what will we do? We will do nothing. From the greatest 7 digit number, write 9 7 times. From the greatest 7 digit number, if we are subtracting this, means 6 5 7, 6, 5, 8, 7. So after subtracting, 3 will come here. 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So you know, to get this, what do? We add this. So from this much number, if we are adding, that will become the greatest 7-digit number. So to get a number which should be added in the given number to form some greatest digit number, for that, from the greatest digit number, the given number we will subtract. So from the 7-digit greatest number, we will subtract the given number, and that is coming this 2143 243 2143 243 2143 243. C1 is coming, so C will be your correct answer. Come to this fifth one problem, and fifth one problem is saying to you that how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100 we want to check that how many prime numbers will be there. So for that we must be aware about the prime number. What is a prime number? Composite number, these things I have told to you. Still, once again I am recapitulating. Number greater than 1. Number greater than 1 which is only divisible by 1 and itself. So a number which will be only divisible by 1 or the number itself, that will be called as our prime number. So prime number, what will be the composite number? Composite number is nothing but your number greater than 1. Number greater than 1, you will remember that it should be greater than 1, which is also divisible by other numbers along with 1 and itself. So prime number will be the number which will be greater than 1, and that will be only divisible by 1 and itself, whereas the composite number will be the number greater than 1 which will be also divisible by other numbers along with 1 and itself. So student, you guys are looking that this our prime number and composite numbers should be greater than 1. So you will note down 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So that 1 will be not your prime number as well as composite number. And also I have told you in the very first video that 2 is smallest even prime number. 2 is your smallest even prime number. These things must be in your mind before solving this problem. Okay? So go through the things, then only you can understand my language, that what I am saying here. In between, if you are coming to the videos, you will feel problem, I think. So 2 is the smallest even as well as prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 we will not select. 1 we will not select. So problem is saying that which will be that what are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So for that 2 is the prime number. I have told you 2 is the smallest even prime number. 3, when are you looking? 3 will be only divisible by 1 and itself. No other number is going to divide this 3. So 3 will be also your prime number. 4, when are you selecting? You are looking that it is divisible by 1, 4 and 2 as well. So a number which will be divisible by any other number along with 1 and itself, that will be our composite number. It will be not the prime number. So we'll leave this. 5, when are you selecting? You will look that it will go by 5 and 1 only. 6, when are you selecting? You are looking that along with 1 and 6, 2 is dividing the 6. 3 is also dividing the 6. So other numbers are also dividing this 6 along with 1 and itself. So 6 will be your composite number. And we want the prime numbers. 7, when you will select, it will go by 1 and itself only. 8, when you will look, that 2 will divide it, 4 will divide it along with 1 and itself. So 8 will be not your prime number. 9, when are you selecting? 9 along with 1 and itself, 3 will divide it. So 9 will be not your prime number. 10, when are you looking? It will be divisible by 5 along with 1 and itself. So it will be not divisible. 11, when are you selecting, student? 11 will go by 1 and itself only. 2, when you will look, along with 1 and itself, 2 will divide, 3 will divide, so that will be not our prime number. 13 will be only divisible by 1 and itself. 14, along with 1 and itself, that 2 will divide this, so not be the prime number. 15, when you will look, along with 1 and 15, 3 will divide it, 5 will divide it, so it will be not your prime number. 16, along with 1 and itself, 4 will divide it, 2 will divide it, not a prime number. 17 is the number which will be only divisible by 1 and itself, that's why it will be the prime number. 18, 2 will divide. 19, when are you selecting? You will look that it will be only divisible by 1 and itself. 21, along with 1 and itself, 3 is going to divide this 21, so not a prime number. 22, when are you looking? That 11 will divide it, so it's not a prime number. 23, when are you selecting? It will go by 1 and itself only, so 23 will be your prime number. 24, 2 will divide it, 3 will divide it, so not a prime number. 25, 5 will divide it. 26, 13 can divide it. 27, 3 will divide it. 28, 4 will divide it. 29, when are you selecting? It will go by 1 and itself only. 30, 10 will divide. 31, when are you selecting? 31 will be the prime number. It will be only divisible by 1 and itself. 32, 2 will divide it. 33, 11 will divide it. 34, 2 can divide it. 35, 5 can divide it. 7 can divide it. 36, 2 will divide it. 18 will divide it. 37, when are you selecting? 37 will not go by any other number. It will be only divisible by 1 and itself. So 37 will be your prime number. 38, along with 1 and itself, 2 will divide it. 39, 3 will divide it. 40, it can go by 10 and 20. Leave that. 41, when are you selecting? 41 will go by 1 or itself only. So it will be our prime number. 42, 2 will divide it. 43, when are you selecting? 43 will be the number which will go by 1 and itself only. 44, 2 can divide it. 45, 5 will divide it. 46, 2 will divide it. 47, when are you selecting? You will look that 47 will be the prime number since it is only divisible by 1 and itself. 48, 2 will divide it. 49, 7 can divide it. 50 will be divisible by 10. 51. Whether 51 is a even number or prime number? Look student, it's not even number, composite number or prime number. 51 will be the composite number since it is divisible by 17 threes are 51. So along with that 1 and itself, 17 is dividing the 51. So 51 will be not your prime number, it will be composite number. 52, 2 will divide it. 53, when are you selecting, student, that 53 is not going to be divided by any other number. It will be only divisible by 1 and itself, so it will be our prime number. 54, 2 will divide it. 55, 11 will divide it. 56, 2 can divide it. 57, so 57 student, you will look that 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so 57 will be also divisible by 3. This thing I have told you in that divisibility rule. So along with 1 and itself, 3 will divide it, so it will be the composite number. 58, 2 will divide it. 59, when are you selecting? I think if 59 will be your prime number since it is only divisible by 1 and itself. 60 will be divisible by 10. 61 will only go by 1 and itself, so it will be our prime number. 62 will be divisible by 2. 63 will be divisible by 3. 64, 2. 65, 5 will divide it. 66, 11 will divide it. 67, where are you selecting? I think 67 is your prime number since it is only divisible by 1 and itself. 68, 2 will divide it. 69, 3 will divide it. 70 can go by 10. 71 will be our prime number since it will go only by 1 and itself. 72 will be divisible by 2. 73, when are you selecting? 73 will be your prime number since it will go by 1 and itself. 74 will be divisible by 2. 75 will be divisible by 5. 76 will be divisible by 2. 77 by 11. 78 by 2. 79, when are you selecting? You will look that 79 will be our prime number since it will go only by 1 and itself. 80 you can divide by 10. 81 will be divisible by 9 along with 1 and itself, composite number. 2 can divide it. 83 will not go by any other number, it will go only by 1 and itself. 84 can be divided by 2. 85 by 5, 86 by 2, 87 when you will select, it will go by 87. It will go only by 1 or 11. No other number, I think it is going to be, no. 87 will be not your prime number, 3 will divide it. 3 is going to divide it. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 will be divisible by 3. So 87 will be also divisible by 3. Go to the divisibility rule. 88 will be divisible by 11. 89, when are you selecting? 89 will not be divisible by any other number. It will be only divisible by 1 and itself. 90 will go by 10. 30. 91, when are you selecting? It will go by 13. 13 से बन जा 96 91 13 can divide it. 92 will be divisible by 2, 93 by 3, 94 by 2, 95 by 5, 96 by 2, 97. When are you selecting? It is not going by any other number. It will be only divisible by 1 and itself. 98 will go by 2, 99 you can divide by 11, 100 will be divisible by 10, 50, 20. So it will be our composite numbers. And thus the numbers in which that there is a round circle is the prime number. And why are they prime number? We have seen, since it is only divisible by 1 and itself. No other numbers are going to divide it. So how many prime numbers are coming? 1 you will not select, since it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. We shall start for the prime number from 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So how many that prime numbers are present in it? Answer will be your 25 prime numbers are present from 1 to 100. Now, suppose I am asking that how many composite numbers are present from 1 to 100. How many composite numbers are there from 1 to 100? So anyone can think that there were that 25 prime numbers. So from 100 we can subtract 25, which will give us 75 composite numbers, and it will become wrong. Because by doing this, we are also selecting 1. We are also selecting 1. So 1 you can't select. While are you subtracting 25 prime numbers from 100 numbers and thinking that 75 will be the composite numbers? In that you guys will look that 1 is not going to come. And while were we doing like this, in this that our 1 is coming, so this way you will not go, and there will be 74 composite numbers, and that we can check. So here you are looking, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, we will not select. 2 is the smallest even prime number. 3 is your prime number. So that you can note smallest, these things I have told to you. Smallest composite number. The problem that Sainik school going to ask, only this much things they are asking, they will ask. These are the mental exercise to means that think, I'm increasing your thinking way. And by doing this 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times, while when you will do this exercise, your mind will increase, I think. So smallest composite number is your 4. So we shall start from 4. So check that how many composite numbers are there. Composite numbers are the numbers greater than 1. So 1 we will not select. Greater than 1, which will be divisible by 1 and itself, and along with 1 and itself it will be divisible by other number as well. So 4 is your composite number. So the numbers which are not in the circle will be that composite number, and 1 also we will not select. So count back: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73 and 74. Answer will be your 74. It's the question of that your maths lab that I have made you understand. So I think these things should be clear to you. And miss, while are you giving this problem, they can give this problem to you. So it will consume so much time. So my suggestion is to learn there are 25 prime numbers and 74 composite numbers from 1 to 100. You can remember, I think. Now one more thing I want to tell to you, that here they are saying you to find from 1 to 100. That suppose I am asking that how many prime and composite numbers will be there from, not from. If in place of from, look student, you will keep in your mind that in place of from they are writing between. They are writing between 1 to 100. 1 to 100. So the question will get changed. You will notice that whether they have written from or between. So from, if they are writing, so we will select 1 and 100. But if they are saying between 1 to 100, from means that तक, एक से 1 से 100 तक. Between means that 1 से 100 के बीच में. Between means बीच में. So in that we will also not select the 100. 1 and 100 we will not select. And you can say that miss 1 we were not selecting in even number as well as prime number. So 1 will be left, but 100 also we will not consider in it. And in this case, that your prime number of prime numbers, I think you should write number of prime numbers. How many number of prime numbers will be there? there will be 25. 1 you have left, and 100 you have left, and 100 is not a prime number. So your prime number will be the same. In the earlier case, you were looking that 25 prime numbers were coming. Now when are you not selecting this 100, there will be no effect, as 100 is not the prime number. That effect will only come when the end number will be that prime number. So once again, where are you that ignoring this 100? So how many prime numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is coming. So there will be 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100 as well. Now they are saying that number of composite numbers. How many number of composite numbers? Number of composite numbers. Number of composite numbers will become what? Earlier you guys were looking that there were that 74 prime numbers. There were 74 prime numbers, and since we have ignored this 100 in between 1 to 100, so now since you have ignored the 100 and 100 we have ignored, so one number we have ignored, so the answer will be your 73. And you can check as well that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 100 we can't select when they are saying between. So answer is your 73. It's a kind of that mental exercise you can do. Note down up to here. You can pause the video, can have the screenshot and can write the things. So what we have get from here, I am writing here that learn there are 25 prime numbers and 74 composite numbers from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100. But there will be prime number will not change. 25 prime numbers and 73 composite numbers between, here between will come, between 1 to 100. Okay, so prime number and composite number, the definition, go to the first video, learn the basic from there. Then after this problem will become easy. Go through it 4, 5, 10, 20 times. It will that make your mind strong. Very quickly we will move to the next problem, that there is two parts present in the sixth problem, that how many prime and composite numbers are there from 1 to 27. So first part we are selecting, they are saying from 1 to 27. And first what can we do? We can write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. So from 1 to 27, the meaning is that we will write 1 and 27 as well. Now choose the composite numbers, prime number. Now first we will select the prime numbers. So 1 we will not choose in that prime number and composite number. So we are choosing that prime numbers. So prime numbers will start by 2, from 2. That 2 is the smallest even prime number, so 2 will be there. 3 is also there. 5 is there. 7 is there. 11 is there. 13 is here, there. Then after 17 will be there. 19 will be there. And 21, 20, 23 will be there. 21, 26 and 27 will be not there. So how many prime numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there will be 9 prime numbers. Prime numbers from 1 to 27. And while are we selecting the composite numbers, we will start that smallest composite number is your 4, so we will start from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is coming, once again I think I should check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there will be 17 composite numbers. 9 and 26 will be there, no? 26 plus 1. Okay, correct. 17 composite numbers. So you can think to means that subtract it. I am rubbing here. Rubbing here. That 17, you can think that if 9 prime number is there, 9 prime numbers are there. So from 27 you can subtract 9 and that will give you that how much? 18 composite number. 18 composite numbers. But this will become wrong. Since we can't choose 1. So while are you subtracting 9 prime numbers from 27 numbers, there will be only 27 numbers. 27 numbers from 1 to 27. So in that 1 will also come. So that we will ignore. I have told you. So your answer will become wrong. If you are selecting this, answer will be nothing but your here 18 will be 17. how can you say that 18 means 1 you are ignoring, so that will there 1 you will subtract by 18, that will give you 17. Okay, I think in this the things I have made you clear. You can go through it 2, 3, 4 times and can have the things. Now while are you saying that second part, that how many composite number are there between 1 to 27? Between 1 to 27, the meaning is that we will ignore 1 and 27. We will start from 2 when they are saying between. So 1 we will left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thereafter 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27 we will not write. So while are they saying between, you will look here, you will have that how many numbers? 25 numbers. Here you will have 25 numbers, you can check. So in this, how many prime numbers are there? Prime numbers. So prime numbers, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, 5 will be there, 7 will be there, 8, 9, 10 will be not there, 11 will be there, 13 will be there, 14 will be not there, 15, 16, 17 will be there, 18 will be not there, 19 will be there, 21, 22, 23 will be there, 24, 25, 26. Now, so how many prime numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So while are you ignoring that 1 and 27, that your answer is same. 9 prime numbers. And if I am talking about that composite numbers, earlier you have seen that there were 17 composite numbers, but since we have ignored these 27 was your composite number, so since we have ignored that, we will have that 16 composite number, and you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So answer will become, composite number will be 16. Okay, do it 2, 3, 4, 5 times now. The thing which I want to say to you now, you will understand. I think. One thing you will remember, that while are you finding such kind of the problem, whether are they writing from or between, that you will remember. Between you will ignore the number, from you will have those numbers. Okay. We shall move to the next problem, that how many prime and composite numbers are present from 1 to 19. First one part is saying that from 1 to 19. So the solution of first, we shall start first part. From they are saying from 1 to 19, so 1 and 19 we will select. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. First you will write like it. Now that they are saying you to find the prime and composite number, and in prime number and composite number we have seen that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, so 1 we will not select. 2 is the smallest even prime number, so 2 will be that your first prime number. 3 is also prime number. 5 is also your prime number. 7 is also your prime number. 8, 9, 10 will be not your prime number. 11 will be your prime number. 13 will be your prime number. 14, 15 will be in the 16. 17 will be your prime number. 19 will be your prime number. So number of prime numbers, number of prime numbers are coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many number of prime numbers are coming? 8. 4 and 4, 8. And in the same way, number of composite numbers will become how much? 10. 1, 2, smallest composite number is your 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that there are 19 numbers, 8 prime numbers are coming. So 19 minus 8 will give us 11. And since we can't choose 1, so 11 minus 1, 10. In that way also you can think, but I will not suggest you to go through that way. If your mind have been made in that way, so you can do in that way. But best way is to write the numbers and do in this way. Then only your answer will come correct in that exam. In my exam as well, I do like it, so that there cannot be any mistake in that. So next, okay, this one was your first part. Next we shall move to the second part. Second part is here, and the numbers are from between 1 to 19. So between 1 to 19, so 1 and 19 we will not select. We shall start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 we will not write. And prime number, 2 will be your prime number, 3 will be your prime number, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17 will be your prime number. So number of prime numbers now will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of prime numbers will become 7 in it. And while are we selecting the number of composite numbers? Number of composite numbers, that how many composite numbers are coming? Smallest composite number is your 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of composite number is your 10. So student, that now try to think, it's your mental exercise, that while were we doing the sixth one problem, that in that whether were we choosing the number from or between, in that prime number were coming same and composite number were changing. That from the numbers or between the numbers, that prime number was coming same in both the cases, but that composite number were coming that different. But here you are looking that from the numbers and between the numbers, prime numbers has been changed and composite number are coming same. So why is it happening? So that sixth one problem, you will look in that we were ending with 27. So we were ending with 27, and since 27 was our composite number, so 27 we were ending to the composite number. So our prime number will be same, and that composite number will become changed. When are we selecting from the numbers or between the numbers? Since we are ending with prime composite. We were ending with that composite number 27. So once 27 will get removed out while we select the between the numbers, and there will be that change in that composite number and prime number will be same. But here when are you looking that our number is ending with 19, which is a prime number, which is a prime number. So when are we selecting that from and between, that prime number is going to be changed and prime number is going to be changed and composite number will be same. So when are we that ending with that composite number? So that prime number will be same in that from and between, and while we are ending, prime number will be same. When we are ending with that composite number, then from and between, that prime number will be same but composite number will be different. But when are we ending with the prime number, then in that case, our composite number will be same and prime number will be different. So I think you can that do this mental exercise to think, but I will suggest to go through this way. They are only going to ask you up to the 30 number. For your better understanding, for your mental exercise, I have told you up to the 30. Okay. Now we shall move to the worksheet number 3. 2 is finished.